Good afternoon, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is Monday, May 29th, 2023. What I have here is an Airmaster, Relite Airmaster from 1984. And it is a fan. It was acquired new in the box as part of a trade deal with an E-Man fan. So rigged it up to the junction box that came with it wouldn't surpass the blades, so I left that up there and just connected it to the original solid state control. Started off on fast. I sure hope it's connected well, because this could go very wrong very fast. Give you guys a shot of the upside of the ceiling fan. There's an Airmaster sticker in there somewhere. There it is. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Please stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.